Is flipping pages, manually editing, and tracking the job sheet easy for you? Is it easy to retain and make your customers happy? Is it easy to grow your business? We know it's not. That is why GaragePlug, a workshop management software, takes care of all your garage needs digitally. From job card creation to tracking, tax invoicing, and insurance billing. It takes care of all to retain existing and bring new customers. The unique and friendly interface makes the customer follow-up so easy. Paperless accounting and managing business from a smartphone makes this software stand out from others. You can get vehicle service progress and various reports at a single touch. Yes, a single touch, just like this. Now you can give timely service reminders to your customers and bring new customers with intelligent SMS marketing. And after all this, when the customer gives a good review, GaragePlug is always there to keep a record. So come out of the cave you are living in and step into the digital world of GaragePlug. Manage and grow with GaragePlug.